1 year ago, we hosted a retreat with more than 75 Cancer Center research faculty. With their buy-in, we began the process of preparing to submit an application for NCI designation by 2021. NCI designation recognizes a cancer center's scientific leadership, resources, and the depth and breadth of its research in basic, clinical, and population science. This distinction is important for many reasons. First, patients chose NCI-designated centers for care. Although NCI designation focuses on a cancer center's research capabilities, it also serves as a seal of approval for savvy patients who want cutting-edge care and access to clinical trials. Second, NCI designation enhances our ability to recruit and retain top clinicians and scientists. Not only does this build our research program, it can also mean growth on the clinical side through increased referrals. Third, designation comes with grant funding to support shared research resources, developmental funds to advance scientific goals, and foster cancer programs that draw investigators from different disciplines together. Over the last year, I have worked with Wilmot's Executive Committee, which includes Hucky Land, David Linehan, Gary Morrow, and Brian Martin, to conduct a gap analysis. Together, we have developed a strategy for addressing key needs, including refining and reorganizing our cancer research programs, forming scientific teams to pursue collaborative projects, increasing NCI funding within these research programs, doubling accrual to therapeutic clinical trials, expanding screening and prevention services across our region, and developing Wilmot-designated cores or shared resources to support cancer-related research across the university. I'm happy to report we have made substantial progress to date. This includes investing nearly $1 million to our existing investigators to develop research programs in cancer control, prostate cancer, immunotherapy, blood cancers, and the hallmarks of cancer. We had a consultation with Thomas Lynch, who was former director of Yale Cancer Center, who led their efforts to renew the designation as an NCI Comprehensive Cancer Center. We have active ongoing recruitment with more than a dozen candidates interviewed for several positions, including endowed chair positions. We supported a PO1 grant application in collaboration with Roswell Park Cancer Institute for a project focused on prostate cancer. We've substantially expanded our catchment area to include Elmira in the southern tier, Coudersport in northern Pennsylvania, and Warsaw to our west. We've accrued more than 330 patients on therapeutic clinical trials this year, and we've expanded dramatically our clinical trials office. Moving forward, we will continue to focus on recruitment, program grants, and building our cores. These efforts require strong commitment from our entire team, but they also hold the promise of short-term and long-term returns. I will keep you updated on these developments, and I welcome your feedback and questions about our plans and progress to date. Please email me at any time. On behalf of Wilmot's Executive Committee, I would like to thank all of you, as well as President Seligman, Dean Taubman, the leadership of the University and Medical Center, and the Wilmot Cancer Institute Board for your support.